Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you Google Chrome not working. So guys, if you went to Google Chrome not working, it's very easy. Firstly, let's click in Google and type here Chrome location. After that, click on File, Open File Location, Google Chrome. After that, click on Rename. So tap and your change name. So right click shortcut. Click on Yes. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you went to Google Chrome not working. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.